Hey trophies, we get asked all the time, how quickly did we see results when we started jumping instead? And how quickly will you start seeing results if you start jumping instead? Because everybody has a goal. We want to lose some weight, we want to gain muscle, we want to get healthier and stronger. The answer to the question is that when we jump instead, we immediately start strengthening every cell in our entire body because we are adding increased gravity weight to our muscles. So the weight of gravity as it stands right in this moment, as soon as you jump, you are adding weight to your muscles. You're adding 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15, 20 pounds to your muscles. But you don't have to think about how much weight you're adding because you're adding weight, it's taken care of, and then you're getting repetitions with your bounces. And these repetitions of resistance against your muscles build up your muscle strength, build up the density in your muscles. And it doesn't miss a muscle in your body. It also strengthens your bones, it strengthens your joints, it strengthens your organs. And so everything gets stronger immediately when you start bouncing. Now, we all have muscle memory from the exercises that we've been doing up until this point in our life. Maybe some of us really have a strong foundation of fitness in the past. Maybe some of us don't. I, for one, didn't have a strong foundation of fitness leading up to the beginning of my jumping journey. And so when I started jumping, my body started strengthening from where it was and it started building its way up. And so for Stephanie and I, we definitely had some years of time that we needed to put density onto our muscles. But some of you might already have a foundation of some quads or hamstrings or glutes or upper body because of previous exercise experience. So as soon as you start bouncing, you might notice that you start seeing your muscles come back to life immediately. And you start to feel your metabolism strengthening immediately. So you're starting to see that body fat come down. Some of you might not have very much muscle memory, muscle mass from past exercise at all. And you need to put in your time to build your way up to where you're starting to see muscle density on your body. If you have no glutes, for example, you have a pancake booty like I had, it will take time to grow your booty. But the cool thing with jumping is that every bounce is strengthening every muscle in your body. And jumping is fun and jumping is sustainable. And so you are likely to stick with it. And you know that everything is getting taken care of. You don't have to go into a gym and go, okay, I need to do the biceps and I need to do the glutes and I need to do my lats and I need to do my quads and I need to do my hamstrings and I need to do my abs and then I need to go do the cardio and then I need to do the stretching. With jumping, you're already stretching, you're already getting aerobic training just by jumping, and by the consistent aerobic movement that you're putting yourself into is strengthening your heart, is making you breathe, so you're strengthening your lungs, you're increasing your metabolism, and then no muscle is being missed with jumping because every muscle is getting increased gravity against it. And so you get to relax in your journey towards your best trophy body. So all you need to do is start now and trust the process. Some of you are going to see results faster. Some of you are going to need more time to build your way up. But you don't have to worry. You don't have to stress. You get to just stay consistent and see it all come. And every milestone that you make through your journey is going to keep you motivated, is going to keep you on track because you're going to start to feel better and better by the day. You're going to start to stand taller. You're going to start to feel more balanced in your body. You're going to start to feel stronger and you're going to feel different than you've ever felt because you're going to be bringing this profound health and strength into your body. And so know that as soon as you start jumping instead, you're very likely, I'm talking 99% likely to continue with it. And then you're going to see your trophy body come to life and then you're going to be able to stick with it forever. Jump into our Facebook group, I Jump Instead, and meet our other trophies in our Facebook community. So you can hear their stories and you can see other examples of women and men that are building their trophy bodies and are seeing their trophy bodies come to life. And once you are convinced, get yourself a rebounder, start jumping instead, and maybe you start with an introductory rebounder like the 40-inch B can that we recommend, and then you get going and you realize that you love it and you're gonna stick with it, so then maybe you upgrade to a higher quality rebounder like the Cellar Sizer rebounder or the Jump Sport 350 Pro rebounder, as long as it comes with a handlebar. And then you can take off with your jumping journey and stick with it for life and live your trophy dream life, because you truly are going to experience profound health, incredible strength, incredible flexibility, and incredible ease in your life. And so I'm really excited for you to get started with your jumping journey, and your results are going to come at the speed that the results are meant to come for you. Because if we've earned some muscle memory, some muscle density from the past, we get to have that in our future jumping journey. If we haven't earned it, or if we've done some harsh dieting in the past and we've lost some muscle because of it, we're gonna need to rebuild it. But since we can trust the process with jumping instead to do the full complete job, all we gotta do is get started and stay with it. And so we've got free workouts here on YouTube that you can follow. And then once you get some experience and you wanna be in the best workouts that we offer to date, you can join our very low priced memberships. We've got a $9.99 membership and a $24.99 membership. And we give you workouts weekly to keep you on track, to keep you engaged, and to keep your muscles guessing and to improve your rebounding skills to the max. So all the workouts are taken care of. All you need is your rebounder. So start with the introductory rebounder. If you want to go lower cost, it comes with a handlebar, and then you can upgrade to the higher quality rebounders, or you can just start with the higher quality rebounders and really get the most out of your jumping experience right from the start. Okay, trophies, I hope that answers your question. I hope to see you in class very soon. All the links for the rebounders that we recommend are in the description box below. And then if you want to join our memberships, you just press the join button and you get started. Oh, by the way, if you want to get the actual $9.99 and $24.99 prices, make sure that you don't go through the YouTube app to join us. You need to go through a web browser so Apple doesn't charge you that extra $3 or $5 fee. So go to a web browser through Google or through Chrome or something like that, and then sign into your YouTube account, and then you go to our channel and you join. Then you can return back to your app where you're logged into your YouTube account, and you can come to our channel, press the membership tab, and you will access all of the membership workouts there. And you'll be paying the $9.99 price or the $24.99 price per month, which is such an awesome deal to be paying per month compared to what it would cost you to go to a Pilates studio, to a yoga studio, to have a gym membership. The price is right for you because we want you living your best, healthiest, strongest, and happiest trophy life. Okay, trophies, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will see you in class. Okay, lots of trophy love. Bye for now.